Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick training that teaches you how to become a certified AI specialist, AI specialized human resources expert. This training basically shows you the step-by-step process on what to learn and how to get your certification as a human resources specialist. So obviously these days you hear a lot about AI on the news, etc. So AI becomes important for basically every job on the planet. And especially in human resources, it can be of great benefit. So we started this certification program basically because we want you to have to go from probably basic AI knowledge, if you played around with some of the tools, to advanced AI knowledge. And this certification program basically gives you the certified status. So basically shows like, hey, I have knowledge of AI. As a human resource specialist, I have knowledge of AI in my field. So by doing this program, you will learn how to use AI optimally, so how to use AI as your perfect assistant. And this will save you a lot of time because you basically become more productive and efficient. And you show that you're very serious about your job because you're future-proofing your skills in your field, in this case, HR. And by doing this, you'll definitely have increased job opportunities. So these days, if anybody is hired for a function, the person that knows AI will always be, not always, but pretty much definitely have more chance of being hired opposed to somebody that doesn't know AI. So if you know AI in your field, that's of great essence. In general, we see that people that do our training programs get a 30% higher salary simply because they're more productive and efficient. They can work quicker thanks to AI because they mix AI with their own profession. So this training program basically makes you ready for career growth, which is definitely essential. Good, let's jump into the process. First of all, what do you need to learn? So completeaitraining.com is our website. So we basically have 220 different training programs for 220 different professions related to AI on our website. And if you go to the Human Resources tab over here, or you can just search for it, human, there you go. You'll find all the human resources training programs that we offer. So here's a bunch of them. We got quite a lot in the HR field. So if you take a sample, for example, the Human Resources Manager training program, on the left side here you find all the video courses. So these video courses bring you from a basic or non-existent AI user to an advanced AI user. So you describe the different generative AI platforms, some of the background, do basic tasks like email handling. We teach you how to do data analytics. So this used to be a very advanced, difficult job, but now you can analyze your own HR data yourself by doing this course simply with the use of AI. So after doing this course, you will be like, okay, wow, I can do a lot more in this field. Besides that, we show all the different office tools that use AI these days. We show you how to make custom GPTs, how to write better prompts, etc. About the prompts, so if you go to the prompt courses, these are all the prompt courses for human resource managers. So basically shows you everything you can do with AI. So we advise you to learn both the video courses and the prompt courses for the certification process. Then you can check the custom GPTs, AI tools, etc. The book. You can check that also later. So for the certification, the video courses and prompt courses are basically essential. By the way, we have this whole bunch of other certifications available. So if you want to take a look there, you can do more than one certification if you are interested and experienced in multiple fields. For example, managing HR with management, or there's also an executive certification, AI for executives, etc. Good. Back to the process. So if you want to apply for a certification. Basically, you can fill in this form on the right side of the screen. It consists of multiple steps, and this form can also be found at the bottom of the screen here. So they're both the same, just take whichever one you prefer. After this we will do an eligibility check. So within your Complete AI subscription you will get one certification for free per year. So basically like this is a bargain, because the subscription itself is also $99 a year. If you go to the sign up button over here, you can see that a basic subscription is $99. Get more to that later. So you basically get that one certification per year for free. If you want to do more than one certification and you are a subscriber, you get 20% discount on the price of $99. So any additional certification is basically $79. So once you're eligible and possible payments are made if you're not a subscriber, or if you want to do a second one, you can do the certification exam. So the exam consists of 20 to 30 multiple choice questions. These are more theoretical, and 4 to 8 practical long form project based questions. And these basically show that you have real world AI experience in HR scenarios. So that's why they're more extensive, they're open ended, they basically are they're more extensive as in they are a bit of work to process. So again, if you do the complete training program for your job, the video courses and prompt courses, you have a high chance of succeeding. But it is important that you do understand those. Good. The numbers of these questions are variable because the test is pretty much always custom. So it's tailored basically to your job and your field. And we also want to make sure the test can be copied, etc. Obviously. So you can do this test at your own pace. So we usually advise to do it within a couple of weeks after receiving it. And then there will be a manual evaluation within a few days. This can also be a week if we are really busy, but normally it's a few days. Then you will either pass the exam and you will directly receive your diploma or certification, and you will be a certified AI human resources specialist. And if you fail, which you obviously don't hope, we will give you very extensive feedback on what you exactly need to learn, so you can do the test again. If you need to do the test again, because this is all a manual process and it takes a lot of time, and basically for the $99 it's already a bargain, you would have to pay again. But again, if you do all the training material and understand all the training material, it's definitely possible and very doable, I would say, to pass. Good. If you want to know more, please check out the certifications, the HR certifications page. We describe everything here, including an extensive FAQ section, little contact us button at the bottom, so you can use that one as well. And if you want to know more about Complete AI training, please check out our website. I do think it's important again to mention that Complete AI training is not only a training website, but we also make sure that you are up to date with all the AI developments that are ready for your job, that are relevant for your job, because there's so many AI developments at the moment, so we basically organize all this data and make sure that it's ready for you and your job. Good. If you want to join us, click the sign up button on top, or the start the 3-day trial button. You can click that as well. It's only $99 a year, $29 a month, but we give this huge discount for yearly subscriptions because there's a lot of benefit of being subscribed for long term, because again the AI developments are going so quick. And if you are a business, you can sign up for just $990 a year. This will give you unlimited access to all of the things the personal solution gets access to. For up to 20 employees within your company. So this is also quite a bargain, and there's 10 certifications included per company per year. So again, start a 3-day trial if you want, nothing to lose there. and I hope to see you soon as a certified HR, AI specialized HR manager. Okay, have a wonderful day. Cheers.